Isolated.
Oh, nope, I don't want that. Not even one iota. Hell of a mess, Steve. Another one? Please tell me they didn't go for the rule of three. Not that again.
Exterminate. No entry gets through the gate.
Yeah, I jinxed it, didn't I?
Dance with me.
What? Steve, even for you, this is a bit much.